Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming support and getting devices ready. Go to Settings, open Sound, then Sound Output to see Bluetooth options. Put your speaker or headphones into pairing mode, often held power for 3-5 seconds so the TV can find it. Make sure the device is within a few meters to avoid interference. Once done, navigate with your remote to the Bluetooth list. You'll begin pairing immediately. This first step saves time because TVs show only discoverable devices. You now pair the device. Choose Bluetooth speaker list and watch for the device name to appear. Sometimes names use model numbers. When you see it, select Connect. Make sure to accept any PIN request on the headset or speaker. If nothing appears, toggle Bluetooth off then on. This forces a new scan. Once connected, play a short clip to test audio. Adjust both TV and device volume because levels can differ. If audio lags, switch audio format or lower signal interference. You finish by setting Bluetooth as the active output in sound settings so audio always routes correctly. If you encounter dropouts, unpair the device and repair it. A restart of the TV or accessory often clears glitches. Make sure your TV firmware is up to date by going to Support then Software Update. Updates fix Bluetooth stability. One key troubleshooting tip. If pairing fails repeatedly, move other wireless devices away, microwave, Wi-Fi routers, or phones to reduce interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.